Hi, so I definitely learned a lot in this module, that's for sure. Definitely learned a lot of different things that I can take from the class and use in the future. Just to kind of start on the first question, I definitely think that it is important for teachers to have foundational knowledge of media technology for so many reasons. I think that it's really where education is going with a lot of ways, learning styles are going with a lot of ways, and so teachers definitely need to know how to use this. And for a lot of reasons also, students really learn well from it, and the information and knowledge that's out there can be retained better. It can also be accessible easier. The resolution and compression, there's a lot to know from that, just to know how to use it. Compression, for instance, take a picture or document, anything like that may be too big to put on a website or to share in an email. Well, if you're able to compress it, you're then able to email it, you're then able to put it on a website, so that can be very helpful and useful down the road with any information that you need to share on the internet or by any other way. My experience working with Prezi was actually really awesome. I liked it a lot. I wasn't sure about it, but I would definitely go to using that over PowerPoint to the future. That's awesome that it creates the website that you can just send it out, go straight to it. It's accessible for whoever you need to be able to access that. Also just the layouts, the everything about it was just awesome. I'll definitely be using that in the future. That was a great resource to find, and it was super easy to use, that's for sure. Then we also look at the Screencast-O-Matic. That's what I used, and I thought it was also very easy to use. I've watched teachers use this in the past when showing how to use something, showing how to access something, and so now I know for myself how to use it. I didn't know how to do that before, but I learned in this class, so that's going to be very useful and very helpful. I didn't use any of the other ones. I went straight to that, and I'm glad that I did, because simply download it on my computer, the application, which I had no problem doing at all. The setup was easy with that, and then I'm able to easily access the things on my computer. I can see what's going to be shown, and it was very easy to publish and to put out there for anyone to be able to see. Those two applications right there, any teacher could use those down the road when it comes to assignments or teaching in the classroom, how to use something on a computer, access it for an assignment, how to get information out there for a class. So those two applications are great for a teacher in any subject or situation for students to be able to learn. So like I said, I definitely learned a lot in this module, and a lot of things that I will use in the future.